Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect T-Mobile account security to prevent SIM swaps. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect your T-Mobile account security and prevent SIM swaps, start by visiting the T-Mobile website. Log into your T-Mobile account using your username and password. If you don't have an account, click on the register option to create one. Once logged in, navigate to the profile section. Look for the Security or Account Security option. Click on Account Security to access various security settings. Find the option for setting up two-factor authentication. Select this option to enhance your account's security. You will be prompted to choose a method for two-factor authentication. You can opt for SMS verification or a phone call. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your phone number. Once entered, expect a verification code to be sent to your device. Retrieve the code from your device. Input the code in the provided field on the website. Confirm the code to activate two-factor authentication. Next, consider setting up a unique PIN for account verification. This PIN will add an extra layer of security. You can usually find the PIN setup option in the same security settings. Once selected, create a memorable yet secure PIN. Avoid easily guessable numbers like birthdays or simple sequences. After setting up your PIN, review your account recovery options. Make sure your email address and secondary contact number are updated. These will help you regain access if you ever get locked out. Now, check your current security questions. Update them to ensure they are difficult for others to guess. For added protection, consider enabling account alerts. This feature notifies you of any changes made to your account. Finally, log out of your account after completing these steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.